Huh? Are you taking the... See, its eye is completely stuck with that gooey thing which we get when we wake up.
Yeah, that's why it's not able to open the eyes. I'll try helping. Oh,
It may hurt.
may not.
May hurt.
But we'll try doing slowly. Come here, baby.
Why
Let me
does
help
it
you. Let me
always
help you. Let me help you.
hold its neck a
Baby,
bit
I'm
tight?
just helping you. I'm helping. I am helping you. Oh God. It's so badly stuck. Hang on, I'm just helping you. नहीं दूर है or else too दूर होगा मक्का मुझे बनता. Don't get scared. Relax.
I told you it will hurt.
No, it doesn't know. Its eyes are stuck because of that. Baby, slowly. Okay, it's done. It's almost done.
When I was doing it, I don't want to hurt it, so I didn't do it. I waited for you to do it.
That's
And
so
I also
bad.
got a bit food because it started eating.
It's able to open its eyes, but not opening them. Hang on, relax.
Remember
Be
that
right
day
there, be right
you
there.
pulled it eye?
Pulled.
Yeah, means
It's almost done, baby. It's almost done.
almost done.
Malta. It has to be a bit wet.
I know.
Come here. It's all like
How does it feel?
glued.
Feels like glue?
Yeah, it's stuck and dry.
Sticky. When you add water, it becomes sticky.
It'll.
Yes,
Oh
yes.
God. Oh my God. I got it.
Show.
See, one eye is open. Show, Kitty, your one eye is open. Look here. See?
Show.
Ah. Okay. See, one got open. See. Is it
Yeah, open another eye. Yeah, open another eye.
You should have got 2-3 tissues though.
Why? This is...
Kitty, relax. I need to open one more eye of yours. Come on. I'm not harming you. I'm helping you. I'm just helping you.
Bruh.
Okay, baby. It's almost done. Come here. It's almost done.
It's more cute when the eyes are open, right?
It also feels helpless when eyes are closed.
Yeah.
Almost done. I'm done.
We have to go to the hospital.
Huh?
We have to go to the hospital.
It's done.
It's done.
No, one more. I'm not able to. Come here, look.
I'll get another tissue.
Wait, I'm helping you. Oh my God.
Oh,
You need to take it to
Sure.
doctor.
oh my God. Ma, look here. I feel so bad for it.
Hang on.
I know it hurts, baby.
It's almost done.
Really? Oh my God, it was oozing. Ugh. I feel disgusted and so sad. Oh my God. Open your eye, kitty.
Baby. Open it now.
Yay.
Hang on.
Don't worry, kitty. We'll take you to the doctor on
wait,
Sunday or
wait,
Saturday or
relax.
Friday or Monday or Tuesday or tomorrow,
Hang on,
which is Friday.
Hang on.
I will take you on 2027.
Wait. Both eyes are open now.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Can you see now? Just open your baby's eyes. Okay? Bye-bye. Bye.
Run, cat.
Bye. You stop it. It's eating something or the other. Baby, kitty. Stop your baby. It's eating anything it gets.